children, in previous class we have learned comparison of the numbers. Comparison means you are comparing two numbers which is biggest and the smallest. Now in this class, biggest and the smallest numbers. The smallest number is closest to 0. Example 4 I am taking. Smallest number is closest to 0. 4 is close to the 0, no? That is the smallest number. And the biggest number is farthest from the 0. Farthest means I am taking 15 number. 15 is far than 0, no? That's why it is the biggest number. The smallest number closest to 0 means 4 close near the 4 0 is closer. That's why it is the smallest number. And the biggest number is farthest than 0. Suppose 15 I am taking. It is farther from 0. It is a bigger number. Smallest number for some examples: 4, 7 and 10. These are the examples of the smallest numbers: 4, 7, 10. In these three numbers, which is the smaller number? Tick. Okay. 4 is the smaller number. Next, 8, 9, 12. In these three numbers, which is a small number? 12 is bigger than 9 and 9 is bigger than 8. Which is a smaller number? Yes, 8 is the smaller number. Next, 15, 14 and 12. In these three numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, 12 is the smallest number. Next, biggest numbers. Examples: 12, 6, 7. In these three numbers, which is the biggest number? Yes, 12 is the biggest number. 8, 11 and 13. In these three numbers, which is a big number? Yes, 13 is the big number. Next, 5, 15 and 10. In these three numbers, which is a big number? Yes, 15 is the big number. In your textbook, page number 21 is there, no? 21 is there. Pick the smallest and the biggest number. Pick the smallest and the biggest number. In this first circles, you have to write which is big number and the small number. And again down also is there. You have to write big number and the smaller number. Going to the next topic, children, that is smallest to the biggest numbers. Means this is an increasing order. When we arrange some numbers, we are arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. They are in increasing order. When we arrange some numbers from the smallest to the biggest, they are in the increasing order. Suppose in assembly you will stand height wise from small to the big, from short boy to the long. Now you will be standing. It is one type of the increasing order. For example, 8, 9, 6, 3. In these numbers, we first number what will come here? This is the first one. First number 3. Again 8. No, 6. This is 2. Again 6. Again 8. Again 9. This is the increasing order. Again I will explain smallest to the biggest. When we arrange some numbers from the smallest to the biggest, they are in the increasing order. For example, 8, 9, 6, 3 have taken. First, in these four numbers, which is a small number? S, 3. I have written here. Again, which is small number? 6. Again, which is small number? 9. Again, which is small number? 8, 9. I hope you understood this. Smallest to the biggest. Next one is biggest to the smallest. It is the descending decreasing order. When we arrange some numbers from the biggest to the smallest, they are in decreasing order. Again I will explain children. We are arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. They are in the decreasing order. Examples: 15, 18, 14 and 20. In this, for example, 15, 18, 14, 20 means decreasing order means big number to the small number. In these four numbers, now which one is a big number? Yes, 20 is big number. First you have to write 20. Next big number is 18 is the big number. This is second number. Next big number is 15 is the next big number. 15. Next big number is 14 is the next big number. Again I will explain. You have to write this number from big number to the small numbers. Now in these four numbers, which is big number? First which big number will come? 20. Yes. Next big number 18. Next big number 15. Next big number 40. In your textbook, page number 22 and 23 is there. One in 22 increasing order is there. In 22 increasing order is there. Increasing order means you have to write the numbers from the smallest to the biggest number. Think carefully and complete this task. And again the next page 23, this decreasing order. That is from biggest to the smallest number. With the help of your parents you have to write this. Okay, thank you children.